Hey everyone, welcome back to another version or another video of Secret Notes. I actually still have no idea what I'm calling this series or whatnot, but I'm just gonna call it Secret Notes documentary, whatever it is. So this is just a continuation of version 1. It's like a documentation since I already am in version 2, sorry. So I'm just gonna get started here. I'm just gonna quickly just make sure I can check out of this one and go into the next one. Of course, I have an issue. Just give me 1 minute. I'm just gonna really quickly remove this. We're back. So here we are in Secret Notes V2. I already can tell there's some changes in the background of Secret Notes. So I already did some changes, but let's get started with just kind of my ideas as to what I want to do. This is kind of like more of a process video. It's just like a thinking as a project management video. It's more like my thinking, what I want to do, things like that. So first things first, I think the easiest way to do is visually speaking how to do it. So here I have my storyboard, and it's just to give you an idea. So in the previous one, in my master branch, the V1, I have a tab controller, goes to the 2nav controller, those stay the same, and then goes into its own view controller, so Dave view controller and the password view controller. Password, it's holding all of the password. And then as for the detail view controller, it kind of showed the details, right? So here is where we want to kind of change things. So first, I'm going to remove this password view controller because the idea here is that I want to make it more user-based. So basically this can be a clone of what the Apple Notes app is on the iPhone, except aside from being a clone, it's just going to be an uglier version of it. So if that's the case, it's gonna be kind of like this. So essentially you're gonna have a tab view controller, you're not gonna have the password. Not sure that's a good idea, but the only reason I'd keep these is because that way you have access to the password. But let's just say you don't have the password anymore and you log in, and the only way you get in is through secrets. And then let's just say there's a plus button right here, you click on it, you add it, and then it'll bring you to this view controller where you can give it a title and note, and you choose whether or not to password secure this or not. And then from there, it's just whenever you access it, you click on it, same idea as before. If you tap on the cell, it'll put in the password, and then after the password, you enter it, it's correct, it'll show you the notes. I'm thinking about keeping it more of storing these notes locally using Realm or something like that on your phone. So that's pretty much my update this time as to what I want to do for V2. Right now, I'm just gonna create another branch right now, so I'm gonna go to checkout. Alright, so this is gonna be the second version of it. So this is gonna be the version where it's Secret Note V2 YouTube, and this is where we can mess around with it, and I'll follow basically what you guys tell me, and we'll go from there. Thanks again for watching this video this week. Please like and subscribe if you want to watch more of these videos, or even like this video just to let me know that you like this kind of series. Also make sure to comment down below if you have any questions, and please give me some comments. Just let me know what you think. Maybe you have some ideas, questions of anything of any sort, like what questions you have, maybe even video suggestions as to what you want to do. But thanks a lot, and have a great one. Like and subscribe.